Georges de la Warre, a well-known civil engineer, was, together with his wife, one of the most important developers of radionics during the 1950s. Their apparatus and research were instrumental in achieving great depths in the field. The de la Warre couple discovered, as had already happened with Dr. Abrams, that it was possible to detect pathological energetic conditions that had not yet materialized as such in the physical world. When dysfunctions were not normalized at the energetic level, within a few days or weeks, it was possible to see how the negative physical effects began to materialize. This is one of the advantages or curiosities that can be observed with radionics, and that show that the vibrational part is prior to the physical manifestation of that vibration. Physical problems due to the development of pathologies are usually a materialization of energetic distortions or anomalies at a pre-physical level in living beings. It should also be noted that many of these energetic pathologies have a psychological origin, so it is always important to normalize this aspect and take care of it if we wish to maintain good health. All this information can be found in much more detail in the book that you can download for free through the link that you will find in the description of this video. The de la Warre couple's research was always very vocational. They never received any subsidies or grants and relied solely on their work, effort and interest. Their research covered agricultural, medical and veterinary fields. They also worked on proving the positive changes that can occur in water and liquids under radionic influence. Treatment of pests, pollution, finding missing persons, development of plantations and crops, general research, curative remedies, alternative therapy, radionic photography, solving various problems and so on. They developed the use of radionics at a distance by means of samples of the subjects, aerial photographs of fields, or the use of photos as a means of vibratory link through their devices. In therapy, they tested the use of colors, reagents, music, homeopathy, Bach flowers, various remedies, plants and even various geometric configurations, both developed by them and existing ones, which for generations were considered sacred geometry. In relation to this, it is interesting to note how there are geometric patterns that are very beneficial for life in general and for specific uses in particular. It can also be seen how others are neutral and some are negative. Radionic devices facilitate the use of positive configurations on subjects with sometimes simply astonishing results. Normalizing and balancing the energetic aspect is fundamental for complete well-being on all levels. As we have mentioned above, in the book that you can download for free via the link in the description, you can learn more about the research and discoveries of engineer Georges de la Warre and many other researchers.